I'd like to welcome all of you to Neuro Groove Race Day.
A few years ago, we got a phone call from some of our friends at Craig Hospital, and we met one of the neurosurgeons, Scott, and he told us about a program, an idea he had that he wanted to build a NASCAR Cup car that some of his patients could utilize by putting hand controls and different adaptive systems in the car.
The inspiration was from a former patient of mine who became spinal cord injured. He was an avid race car driver, and he told me that he was just dying to get back into a race car. And that's really where it started. There was no adaptive motorsports for the spinal cord injury, so we thought, let's go develop it.
And the owner of our team, Barney Visser, really took it to heart and told me, go build this car.
Oh yeah, I forgot this thing's automatic. Like, where's the clutch?
It's literally a cup car, but it's a two-seater. Made it to where the doors actually open up and still closed to maintain the integrity of the roll cage.
Hey, I'm Kelly.
Hi Kelly, nice to meet you. You ever done anything like this?
No.
Ready to get it on?
Yeah, buddy.
Right.
A little shake and bake. You're the last guy of the day, so if I hit the wall, it's no big deal. Of all the places I've done ride-alongs, this is definitely the craziest one. You know, just because this track is just, they call it the monster for a reason. It's just insane what it feels like. I think they got a whole new appreciation for NASCAR and what we do behind the wheel.
It was truly amazing, you know, when he gets on the throttle. I mean, it really does sit you back in your seat. You get to do that for a job.
He asked me in the beginning, he's like, how fast do you want to go?
Did it look like we were going fast before?
Jesus, it did.
You want to go that fast or faster?
Let's go faster.
Okay.
So I can't regret that. He was going pretty fast.
He was telling me that they go 4 seconds faster than that lap right there. Had me up against the side there, coming around the corner. I did good. I had some drool coming out.
I don't think I was breathing very much through the whole thing. When I got to the end, I was like breathing heavily.
A lot of cussing.
That is crazy.
A lot of curse words. Just they couldn't believe how awesome it was.
That was awesome. So we're all about to jump in, take it for a ride. What advice do you want to give us?
Don't go as fast as I did. No, have fun.
When I drove it, I didn't, I did it with the hand controls. I've never driven a hand control, but I wanted to see what it was like. It's pretty easy. It's so inspiring to me. We've had people who are newly injured, and you can imagine if you're a young person, perhaps in your 20s, and you think the rest of your life, I'm in this chair, it can put you down in the dumps, and when we put them in the NASCAR and say you're going to drive this thing or you're going to ride it, it really changes things.
All sorts of sports can be adapted in different ways, and a lot of people think of sports that you can't do because you're in a wheelchair or some other disability, and there's all sorts of ways to make it work. With a car like this, you usually would have to use your feet, and they've adapted this, you can use your hands with it, and that allows us to get involved. It feels awesome. It feels crazy.
I didn't know about this kind of stuff before I broke my back. When you get injured, the first thing you think is, my life, is completely changed. You do miss out on some things, and that can really put a damper on a lot of people, and it's all about getting your brain in a positive spot so you can get back out and experience life just as well as everyone else is. Awesome. Exhilarating.
Nicely done.
That was awesome, man.